Hi, I'm Dan Palomino with Keller Williams Realty Maui, Big Island, and the Hawaii team. Well, today it's another beautiful day in paradise, and I'm over here at the shops at the Mauna Lani Resort. It's early in the morning. People are just starting to get going, but what an amazing day here, and I just love this resort. You've heard us talk a lot about it here on our YouTube channel. If you'd like to find out about the 17 sub-areas inside the Mauna Lani Resort, just look right here on our YouTube channel. Well, today I want to talk about something that kind of sets the Hawaii team apart from everybody else. And it's what we've been working on here for the last 18 months. And that is, we've been involved in a big project of data mining and mapping the west side of this island. And what does that mean exactly? Well, as you know, Chris and I work primarily the 6 resorts on the west side of this island, from Kohana'iki to the south to Mauna Kea on the north. And in between, there's Hualalai, there's Kukio, there's Waikoloa Beach, there's the Mauna Lani, and there's the Mauna Kea, those 6 resorts. So we've been data mining those 6 resorts. There's about 3,000 homes, and we've been building the database. And we've been building the database on who owns each one of those homes. But better yet, we've been doing a deep dive on not only who owns them, but where do they live on the mainland? What's their valid mobile phone number? What is their valid email address? What are their social media profiles? And we've been building this database of each homeowner in each of these 6 resorts. It's taken a lot of work over the last 18 months, but it's really starting to pay off. And here's how it helps you. Everybody knows about the low inventory situation here in Hawaii, right? It's all over the country. From here to Maine, there's just no homes for sale. And so if you are a buyer and you want to be in Hawaii, what do? You can't wait in perpetuity for a house to pop up on the market. Many don't. And so what you need is a real estate team like us that will go out and find you an off-market property. Now, a lot of real estate agents say, well, we've got access to off-market properties. We'll find you one, right? But do they have the database of every homeowner on the west side of this island? Do they have their mobile numbers, their email addresses, and their social profiles? And are they accurate? And can they reach out to these people with one click of a button? Most of them can't, but we can, because we spent the last 18 months building this database. So you may say to me, hey, Dan or Chris, we want to be in Kamilo, or we want to be in Mauna Lani Point, or we want to be in Waikoloa Beach, and we want to be in Kolea and Waikoloa Beach, or you name the subdivision. But nothing's popping up for sale. Can you find us somebody in one of those subdivisions that's willing to sell? And the answer is yes, because we've got the database that other people don't. And in fact, we've gotten so good at hunting people down and getting all of their valid phone numbers, email addresses, and social profiles that at this point in our career, we're better than the FBI. We can find anybody and get you an answer about whether or not they're willing to sell. So if that's of value to you, then you want to call us at the Hawaii team. 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899, or thehawaiiteam.com. Enjoy paradise, everybody. Get out here when you can. We'd love to see you. Aloha.